Look at this magical place, right, Nancy?
Most beautiful, magical place on earth.
My girl here. Woo! Okay, like walk like fire, Nancy. Fire. Okay, cool. Now, what about water? Come up the hill with water movement.
Water movement.
What about earth now? Ground, be earth. And what about air?
Air.
Now to finish, I want you to embody the pose that you had when we were talking about when you remember you wanted to move to Sedona and you said my feeling was so intense and this is how I feel. I want you to show me the gesture, the embodiment gesture of that decision, of that accomplishment.
Because when I accomplished it,
Feel that way?
I loved myself for doing it. And then I said, thank you for letting me come here. Letting this happen.
So now this is your power pose.
There you go.
Every time you feel like things are difficult and you can't do this, or what if this happens, you gotta go back to that pose. You're gonna hug yourself. Do it again. Hug. And then you're gonna open your arms. I can do it. I did it one time, I'll do it again.
And I never dreamed it would happen.
See?